Have you ever wondered why we need to sleep? It might seem like a simple question, but the answer is far from straightforward. Sleep is an integral part of our daily routine, as essential as eating or breathing. It's not just about getting some shut-eye after a long day. No, it's so much more than that. Sleep is the time when our bodies and minds recharge and repair themselves. It's a period for restoration, for rejuvenation. Every cell, every organ, every part of us gets to rest and replenish during sleep. It's the time when the brain sorts out and stores memories, when the heart and blood vessels repair themselves, when the immune system strengthens itself. It's a fascinating process, and it underscores just how critical sleep is to our overall health and well-being. So, it's clear that sleep is essential, but what exactly happens when we close our eyes each night? The science of sleep is fascinating and complex. Let's delve into the two main types of sleep: rapid eye movement, or REM sleep, and non-REM sleep. During REM sleep, our brain is active, and this is when dreams often occur. It's also a crucial phase for memory consolidation, where our brain processes and stores all the information we've learned during the day. On the other hand, non-REM sleep is a deeper, more restorative sleep. It's during these stages that our body regenerates cells, strengthens the immune system, and repairs tissues. And here's a fascinating fact. During sleep, our brain works as a self-cleaning oven. It flushes out harmful toxins that build up while we're awake. This cleansing process is vital for maintaining brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. So, sleep isn't just about rest. It's a complex, active, and vital process that affects every part of our health. Now, we understand the intricate science behind sleep, but what are the benefits of a good night's sleep? The benefits of sleep extend far beyond just feeling refreshed. It's a powerful tool that our body uses to repair, rejuvenate, and recharge. Picture, if you will, sleep as your body's own personal night shift, where numerous processes take place to ensure you're at your best come morning. One of the key benefits of sleep is improved memory. While we're off in dreamland, our brain is busy sorting and storing the day's experiences. This process not only helps us remember important information, but also primes our brain for learning new things. Sleep is also a mood booster. It helps to regulate our emotions and keep stress levels in check. Plus, it plays a vital role in our immune function, helping us fight off illnesses and infections. But that's not all. Adequate sleep can lower the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and diabetes, assist in maintaining a healthy weight, and even promote longevity. So, sleep isn't just a luxury, but a powerful ally in maintaining and improving our health. Make sure to prioritize it every night for a healthier, happier life.